Inforbix Charts is a new product data app that visualizes product data and helps with decision making. Using Inforbix Charts, you can quickly and easily see trends and patterns from product data aggregated from different sources and locations in your company. Let me show you how Inforbix Charts work. So when you're in Inforbix Charts, we provide you with some tips on quickly getting acquainted and started with Inforbix Charts. I'm going to go ahead here to the right and just hide this tip. You start creating an Inforbix chart by selecting a previously saved table. You go to the table field and drop down, and here's a CAD drawing. Now, CAD drawing is a previously saved table. Just to prove to you that I actually have a saved table, here it is. I'm now navigated to the Inforbix table app, and here's a saved table, and I'm just going to go ahead and quickly click that just to prove to you that here's a table. Now, here's a table that I've created, and if you'd like to learn how to create your own tables with Inforbix apps, you can go ahead and refer to one of our videos that shows you how to create and save these tables. But here I've aggregated information from all the various sources in my company that contain CAD drawings. So, and I've called it CAD drawings. So here it is, drawn by, file size, last saved. You know, information that's interesting to me or important to me. Now let me go navigate back to charts. You can see it's just a click away. And now let me select the previously saved table, CAD drawings. And now I can go ahead and start creating charts that might help me with making some decisions. So let's say that I'd like to find all the CAD documents that were last saved in my company and by whom. So you see here that Inforbix Charts very quickly has provided me with a visual cue of who did what. In this case, these are all the engineers in my company, and here are all the CAD drawings that they saved. So I can see that this individual was pretty busy with 402 CAD files that he saved. This one saved 78. So very quickly I can visually see who did what. Let's say I want to take a different slice of the data, and let's say I want to see who did all the approving of these CAD drawings. So now I come here and see, look at this. These two individuals did most of the approving. And I can quickly see here on the far left that there are almost 400 CAD drawings that have yet to be approved. They don't show anyone having approved them. Again, that could be important to me. That could be helpful. Let me now take this a little further and say, well, maybe I want to see who did the checked, who checked these CAD drawings. And again, I can quickly see a visual cue of this. But let me maybe take this one step further, because rather than maybe a count, I like to see an average, right? So now I can see an average, and I'd like to see an average file size. So what was the average file size of all the CAD documents that were checked, and by whom? Okay. So very quickly here, you can see that I am able to create a chart based on the information that might be useful to me, and using the various fields here, I can go ahead and refine the particular piece of data I'd like to chart from the table that I've chosen, and of course then do a few operations and further refined it. Now once I've achieved a chart that I feel this is helpful, I can go ahead and actually save it. I'm going to go ahead and save this chart. And I'm just going to say this is the check by size chart, right? I can go ahead and save it. And then when I go back to Inforbix Charts, I have the chart here, and I can go ahead and recreate that. And if there's been any changes between the time that I saved it and I've run it, it'll be reflected on this particular drawing. So again, it's just a way of always being able to dynamically see, cut and slice the data that's important to me, visualize it, make some decisions, and always feel comfortable that the data is up to date. Thank you.